I said hey, ha, behe, behe, beture, da, la, 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 la. Oh snap, what I'm singing and what I am hearing. I'm listening to Massive Attack Teardrop. Can you believe that? I said hey, ha, hey, okay, enough. Alright, enough. Because we resume our learning. Careers in cybersecurity. In the introduction of careers in cybersecurity, we have cybersecurity careers are becoming more in demand and offer high salaries. They were always in high demand and they always offered high salaries, but not for us. Anyway, there are many different jobs within the security industry, from offensive pen testing, hacking machines and reporting on vulnerabilities, we know that already, and defensive security, defending against and investigating cyber attacks. Why to get a career in cybersecurity? Well, it's missing one bullet point, which is because of bragging rights. High pay. Jobs in security have high starting salaries. Well, yes, that's true. Compared to other IT fields, security is paying quite well. It depends very much, like in any IT field, it depends very much on the company. But on the average, you are pretty good on the salary. Exciting. Another bullet point to get a career in cybersecurity is because it's exciting. Work can include legally hacking systems or defending against cyber attacks, which is very true. It's really exciting. And it's always in demand. There are over 3.5 million unfilled cybersecurity positions. That's a really random... I could say there are over 500 billion, trillion, kajillion unfilled cybersecurity position, and you have to believe me, because 3.5 million sounds boring. All right. This room helps you break into cybersecurity by providing information about various cybersecurity roles. It also links to different learning paths that you can use to start building your cyber skills. Let's join the room. And complete this. Alright. Oh, please change this message. It's cool to see whoop whoop. Your answer is correct, but I would like to see something else. Just make it random. Thank you. We have a 4-day streak. Pretty exciting.